this is? Well, we'll say it at the end. Okay, so you want to take off this one?
I'm taking off this one.
Let me make sure we have all the parts. Yeah, we got all the parts.
Yeah, but now I don't know what are these for?
It's cold, right?
Yeah.
It makes the hands hurt a little bit, right?
It makes your hands freezing. Can I have? I need this. Whoever this made, very hard to work, right? I think this mommy could. Which kind of is that? What can you print Wonder Woman sometimes?
Yeah, of course we will. I can't believe we didn't print it sooner. We gotta ask mommy, but we gotta ask her nicely because she's been doing it a lot for us.
So she doesn't do videos so much.
I know. We gotta talk to her. She'll help soon. She's busy.
She's sometimes busy.
Yeah, we get busy. I get busy too. You know that. I don't get to see you in the morning.
You never kiss me when you go out?
Of course I do. When you're sleeping. And I kiss you when you're sleeping.
What? I don't even feel that.
Of course not. But I do. I do my best.
Try to wake me up.
No, I don't wake you up.
Sometimes you do it.
Sometimes. Because
Yeah.
it's only when I miss you a lot.
Yeah.
And then we have fun all morning, right?
Yeah. Then don't do this. This is mine.
I know you like doing this your favorite thing, right?
Yeah, I love to do like. Look at this, Abba. Ooh, this is so hard.
Be careful you don't hurt yourself.
I know.
Good job. That looks like an artery in a heart. Doesn't it look a heart? You know what arteries are?
Nope.
You know what veins are?
Yeah.
What are veins?
Veins me too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So veins,
Yeah.
they bring blood back to the heart for reoxygenation. And
look, you could see it.
arteries,
You could see it, Abba.
and arteries are the
Abba.
bringing the blood everywhere.
Blood is scary for them.
Blood's not scary.
Sometimes there's a scratch just because we're itchy. Abba, when is Dr. Silver now? Ah! You didn't think of it.
No, I didn't. It's okay. You can do it. I'll save it for you, okay? You having a good time?
Werewolf. Then this. Werewolf. Abba, it's very worth it. Because I cannot even take out something. Wait, why did I do this? Abba, can you please help me? What is... What it hurt? Ah! Where from your rib?
You know how long I've been wanting to print this one?
No.
A long time.
Why?
It's cool. I think a lot of people will like it because I like it.
Courtney doesn't.
Courtney doesn't?
I don't know.
I don't know if she likes this kind of stuff.
Does she watch this?
She does?
Yeah, she does.
She told you?
Yeah.
I don't see them commenting or liking.
My mom is even done.
Because you're fat, you work fast. Let me put this in first.
Abba, you don't put stuff in first. Okay.
Nice. That clicked solid. Boom.
Look at this.
All right, take that out. You clap loud like me.
Hey, Dad.
No. You take this. I'm just doing the edges.
Look.
Very, very, very good. Can you do me a favor and put the legs in?
Yeah.
It's easier if you do them both at the same time, but you can do one at a time.
I'm ready. We're good to do this. It doesn't get solid, right? This one doesn't get solid, right? How does it?
Hey, you got it. Push your palms. Push your hand. Go like this. Go like that. Wait. Don't just push down.
Oh, no.
Wait. Relax. Okay. Here, go.
Okay.
Push it. No, push it from the top. Wait.
What is
And
it?
push only in the bottom there. There you go. Again. Hard. There you go. Good girl. I'll finish it.
It's almost done.
Okay. Wait. Let me see what's going on. Let me see what's going on. Okay, so you got that side in. So just put a lot of pressure. Move the arm. I think that's making it difficult for you. Now push down. Only on the hip. Only the top of the hip. Go. The top of the hip. There you go. Hard. All your weight. I hear. There you go. My Emily.
Emily, you always say.
I love you.
I know.
I love seeing how you persist and how you never give up.
Can you dig inside?
I would love to dig there.
Can you help me?
Right now. Just a little bit though, because I still want you to do it yourself, okay? That should be enough. Go.
Look, this is like a bag. Ow.
You got it on? Scratch yourself a little bit. And take one up from the center.
Where? It's better you do it with your fingers.
Hard. It's better to use it with a long object. So put it in. Push. Now pull. No, pull out.
No,
Sorry.
pull
Bend it. No, wait. Go down more. Now bend a little bit. There you go.
Not gonna put it. Let me put it on first.
Go ahead.
And then let me
Put it in straight though.
That was secret.
Yeah, push. What? Go. Let's go. Push. Push it. Oh!
They're like fire. Wait. Let's see it. Let me see it. Like funny.
Now for the neck.
We're gonna have to cut a little bit.
Ready?
Yes.
You're excited.
We're gonna say, what did you say?
His name is Magneto.
Let's say Magneto.
Magneto. Ready?
What?
1, 2.
You say 3D. You say.
No, we're not gonna do that again. That's way too confusing. Just say Magneto. It's nicer. Okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Magneto. That's what he does. He goes because he can control metal.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Just